Okay, hey guys. We're going to be making, some chicken teriyaki rice, but we're gonna do it the fucking easy way. I'm either gonna use this frozen saltless chicken or seasoned rotisserie. I think I'm gonna do saltless. Ooh, I actually have. I'll finish this up. So, what we're going to do, I don't know, sorry, that was very aggressive. It didn't need to be aggressive, sorry. What we're going to do is we're gonna heat it up in the microwave. I really don't care. You can heat it up in a skillet, but I don't want to. And I'm gonna use a little bit of this teriyaki stir fry. Should it?
Yeah.
What? Sorry. We're gonna do this, and then I have, this is my favorite rice ever to live on earth. Thank you God for this, because it is the best ever. Okay? I'm like saying this like you guys are gonna, I'm so popular. You guys better not sell my rice out. Better not. Oh no, no. Look at this jellyfish. So my favorite animals are jellyfish. Jellyfish and dogs. My best friend, she got me a jellyfish sweater for Christmas. It's my favorite ever. I don't like ever take it off unless I have to wash it. So we're also gonna heat this rice up in the microwave. The rice needs to be heated up for 90 seconds or a minute and 30 seconds. Right? Yes. Right. Leave a little bit open. You gotta kind of crush the rice up. I'll be back when it's done. Okay, while that heats up, we're gonna plastic plate paper plate. And we're going to well, I'm the only one eating because my roommate is with her friend. My roommate actually yesterday night made chicken Alfredo. Yeah, chicken Alfredo. And it was really good. Usually she bakes, but she rocked that shit for real. I think I'm gonna put a little more chicken. I'll be right back. Arrgh. Oh my gosh, so I'm reading a book. It's kind of like a mafia romance, I guess. I am a smut reader. Fuck you. Fuck you. Say it loud for the people in the back. Fuck you. They're non-fictional characters. Who gives a rat's ass? I mean, check your trigger warnings, please. Check them. Okay? Rice, done. But I'm reading this book. It's called Lorenzo. I fucking hate reading series. I do. Like, why are you... If they're standalones, why are you making it into a series? I don't know. I can never, like... What's it called? Find it in me to read. Damn it, I have no salt. Fuck. I don't even have any garlic salt either. That has pepper in it. So we're going to cook the chicken now. This is how much I put on there. I don't know. And I just kind of heat it up until 1, 2, 3, 4 times on start for 30 seconds. And let me grab a bowl. Bowl. Place the rice in the bowl, obviously. Unless you want to put the rice directly in your mouth, go ahead. No one's judging you. Rice. I also love the smell of packaged rice. Shoot me in the head. Do it. I don't care. But yeah, I really don't remember the conversation we were just having. That's where that is. I've been needing to put a new air filter. Not air filter. Yes, filter. Air, no, just filter. In our heater or furnace. When was the last time that I changed that? Don't tell my landlord. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh my gosh. So, TikTok's back and is there supposed to, that came off really easy. I'm feared. Does this say anything about needing to be shake well? Oh. There. Okay, so the top is actually there. So that's why it's not on it. But TikTok is back, and I've been really, okay. I don't even know if I want to say this, if I'm allowed to say this. But, do you guys know Lily from Family Guy? Family Guy! Modern Family. Oh, I almost just knocked over the microwave. From Modern Family, where she was like, I hate Vietnam. Lily, honey, we don't hate. I hate Vietnam. Speaking of Vietnam, I am low-key sad that Forrest Gump is off of Netflix. Right? Am I just sad about that or no? Is it just me? Don't shoot the messenger. What's going on? Water. This is my favorite thing ever. My stepmother gave it to me. It says always, she didn't give me the water bottle, the sticker I'm talking about. It says always throw split salt over your shoulder. Keep rosemary by your garden gate. Plant lavenders for luck and fall in love whenever you can. Been single for 20 years. Ooh. Hello? Chicken, done. Chicken in bowl, in bowl. Teriyaki time. Hold on, let me see if I can show you guys. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Diggity ding darn it. I have to mix it up, but this is what it looks like. Loki kind of slays. Oh, I swear if it tastes so much like teriyaki, I'm gonna be pissed. I'll be right back. I need to put it in the fridge. I remember that I brought my water bottle over here. Didn't even drink out of it. Fork, we're gonna, oh, that's so much teriyaki. Actually, no, it's not. Well, okay, so it's more mixed. We're gonna try it. I've never really had that teriyaki sauce before, I don't think. Oh, that fucked hard. Real hard. Pardon? Jade, you dirty little mouth. Now, I don't know. Oh shit, I still have to pay this $119 bill because I went to the, not ER. What are those called? Clinics. Went to the clinic to see if I had pink eye. Nope, I just had conjunctive allergic-itis or some fucking shit like that. It was pretty much just allergies in my eye. I don't fucking know why I didn't say that. But we're gonna watch. Well, like there's somebody next to me. I think we're gonna watch NCIS. It's on Netflix. Look at my Kindle. So cute, right? Sorry guys, ASMR as fuck. It says, this one says, eyes on me, little mouse. I don't know if you've read Haunting Adeline. I couldn't really even get through it because it was just way too overhyped. I did not care for it. Sorry, HD Carlton. But I do want to read Does It Hurt and Where's Molly. Where's Molly's like a trilogy to Haunting Adeline and Hunting Adeline. But I don't know. I just couldn't get into them. This one says Dark Romance Addict. Burn my Kindle when I die. Anyways, I'm afraid of dying, so I hope I get to read my Kindle forever. And then Call Me Good Girl. Slay. But I'm gonna watch NCIS and eat. And that's it. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this. Later, love ya.